everyone, it's Morgan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out acrylic pouring, which if anyone doesn't know, it's this like style of acrylic painting, I guess, where you pour a bunch of paint into a cup, like really thin paint. So I have paint thinner right here to make sure that's thin enough. And then you pour multiple colors in one cup and you take it and flip it straight over onto a canvas and just pick it up and watch all the paint come out. And supposedly, you can make some really cool creations with this. So I'm actually really excited to try it out. So first thing we're gonna do is start mixing the colors. I bought 6 colors. I just bought like the cheapest paint I could find because like cheap paint is usually thinner because I don't want to waste money, and 2, I want it to be thinner. So I have, why is that not in English? Blue turquoise. Okay, can I try that again? So the first color we have is blue turquoise, and then petunia purple, some white, light pink, tangerine, and sunshine yellow. So those are our colors. I'm gonna do this twice. I have one, I think it's an 8x8 canvas. I also have a 10x10 canvas. So the first one I'm gonna be using is 8x8 because it's just kind of like, you know, a test. And I want the one, my second round, the one that I'm probably gonna like more, to be on the bigger canvas. I just bought this actually. I bought this coconut milk. It's a hair serum. And if you put like a couple drops inside the paint, when you flip it over, you're gonna have a bunch of cells inside your paint, which looks really, really cool. So I really hope that we get some cool cells with this. First color we are going to mix is going to be this tangerine orange. Lovely. Let's just get some in there. Yo, that was like the whole bottle. Oh, there we go. This paint is so cheap. Look how much I'm squeezing and nothing's coming out. There we go. All right, that should be good. Oh my God, I don't even have anything to mix this with. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna be using the back of a paintbrush. Thin enough? I hope so. Alright, next we are going to mix sunshine yellow. I did that last time too. For the last color, I went I'm gonna do that for every color. Uh-oh. It's a good thing I bought these paints just for this video, because I was like, yeah, I got the small ones, like I don't need that much of it, but I'm definitely gonna use like 3/4 of it, if not more, of each bottle, you know? And I'm using a lot of this paint thinner too. That's fine. I'm seriously just gonna mix out all of these with the backs of paintbrushes, because that's all I have around me. It's wonderful. Okay. And what other colors do I want to put in here? I think pink and a little bit of white. This is light pink. Why is there so much air in these? My goodness. I don't even know if I'm using enough paint, but it's fine. This is why this is the test one. Now we need another paintbrush. Wonderful. And finally, mixing the white. probably didn't need that much white. I only wanted a little bit of white. And I was thinking that, I was like, oh yeah, I'm only gonna put a little bit in there. And then for some reason I put extra in there. My brain was like, which one was it? Did you want a little bit or a lot? This is going down pretty fast. Okay. If I run out of paintbrushes, I'm just completely screwed. I don't think I will, though. I have quite a few over here. All right, now I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna take all these paintbrushes out, actually, because we don't need them. All right, so I'm pretty sure you just pour them in, you know? Is there paint on my hands? No, good. So we have to decide what color we want to be our base color, and I'm thinking that's gonna be the orange, because I think I put the most orange in there. Next, I'm gonna pour in the yellow. I'm totally gonna need more paint, aren't I? And then the pink. Oh shit, I was Alright, so I was actually supposed to mix this in to the individual colors and I forgot, so I'm just gonna put a squirt in there, not mix it, and I'm gonna mix it into the white. Apparently you only need like a couple drops, so I probably didn't have to put that whole squirt in there. But since I haven't put it in the other colors, maybe it'll like make up for it if it's in the white. I don't see any cells. Alright, whatever. I believe. And in comes the white. If this isn't enough paint, I'm gonna be so upset. But that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool in the cup already, actually. See? Okay. Who's ready? I'm not. That's the middle. Okay, ready? I don't want to touch it. I'm gonna move it a little bit. Ah, look at that. Ready? Ooh. Yeah, I totally didn't have enough paint, but it's okay. It's a good thing I used a smaller canvas for this one. That looks so cool. I did put a lot of orange in there though. Just gonna let this cup drip. Ooh, look at it go. Ah. I don't want it to drip off yet because I gotta use as much paint as possible. Since I'm probably gonna run out and I want this to cover the whole canvas. Please, 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 please hit the corners. Please. The corners are like impossible to get. Oh god, oh god, oh god. There goes all my paint. Come on, one corner left. We're good. All right. I say that is a success. That was good. And now I just have paint all over me. Aha! I have a conveniently placed paper towel over here from last time I painted. If anyone watched the flower painting, I did that right here. You might notice that I'm in a different setting than usual, because usually I'm on a black desk, but that's up in my room. And I have to paint, I paint down here. So since it says paint, we're in this nice room. Okay, who's ready for the next one? It's just a mess. I'm just gonna put that there. Where's the paintbrush with pink on it? Oh, I got it the first try. I couldn't see any of them. All right, pink. I'm remembering to put more paint in this time. I'm totally using all this paint. And paint thinner. And a little bit of coconut milk. Perfect. Now we're gonna mix this. Oh, there's paint in my hair. Now we're gonna mix this together. Okay. What is next? Blue turquoise? I think so. That was a lot. But not enough. Okay. Paint thinner. Paintbrush. Oh, almost forgot. Coconut milk. Oh, there's a lot of blue. I guess this is gonna be the base color, huh? That other one's still just dripping over here. I put it right under my camera. Is that a bubble? Yes, that is. And the purple. Oh my god, this is a dirty cup. What the hell's in there? What is on this cup? Do you see that? Ew. Okay, next cup. Ew, they're all like that. What is going on? There's mold in this cup. I did not just see that. That was disgusting. There was like a solid. They're all moldy, except for this one. This one's good. Which is good, because we only need one more anyway. Right? Yeah. That was nasty. That was completely nasty. Like, I keep seeing it, and I want it to go away. I think I just got hit in the forehead. Is that paint? Yeah, I did. I got hit in the forehead with purple paint. All right, white paint. Say goodbye to the pink and the white paint. I use them in both, like, they're on. Squirt, squirt. Alright, the paints are ready. So I said the blue was going to be our base. So next, let's pour in the pink. And then purple. Actually, no, we'll do white next. I don't even know if that's gonna make a difference, but it'll make me happy. I'm so excited for this one. Yeah, I think this is enough paint. I'm a little scared. Here we go. I'm not gonna pick this one up this time. I'm just gonna. Ready? And I'm scared. I did it. I did it. We're good. I can already see the cells. Yo, this one's gonna be so good. All right, let's do this. Whoa. Ooh. All right. All right, I'm gonna aim for this corner first. Just before it gets there. No, don't trip over the edge, please. Ah! Ah! I don't want it to trip off, that's all I'm doing. All right. We need enough of you to get to all the corners. Yeah, there's a lot of blue and not a lot of purple. I'm just gonna cheat right there and do that. Voila. All right, hold on. One more corner. So whatever color you put first really does end up being the base color, because as you can see, there's mostly blue here, and there's mostly orange on the other one too. Almost there. Almost at that last corner. Ha ha ha, yeah. I'm just gonna cheat and finger paint the edges, because I don't want the edges to be white. Okay. Well, thank you guys all so much for watching this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it, because I would love to do something like this again. I think both the results came out really cool, even though there's like no white in the second one. I guess I just didn't put enough white. Well, I'm excited to see these when they dry. I'm doing this with my hands and all I'm doing is rubbing paint into it. Just leave me alone. So, thank you guys all so much for watching, and like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!